Gillard, and I'm going to show you how to form a major chord in the scale of C. Come on. The first thing to do is to make sure you know what the scale is, the major scale is. So I'm going to show you. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now how do we form that scale? The formula is very simple. 1, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Let me explain how I'm doing that. 1 is the key of C, so we're starting with the C. A whole note means we start. This is a half. From here to here is a half. From here to here is a whole. So 1, half, whole, half, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So let's go over that one more time. 1, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So that's the key of C. You have 7 notes. From C to C is an octave. That's 8 total notes. So we're going to show you on the computer. I'm going to give you a screen that I'm going to show you in more detail of how to make a major scale in C. Bye for now. Here we are. We're back, and we're going to look at how to create a major scale on piano. And I'll be your instructor. And really what I want to do is give you a quick visual of how to create a major chord on piano. First thing we're going to look at is what are those notes in the C major scale. Those notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And we're going to use the scale of C because it's made up only of the white notes, and it's really straightforward and easy for beginners to learn the scale. And one thing I also want you to look at is you go from the first note of C to that last note that is known as an octave. It's, the scale has 7 notes, but that 8th note, which is the same note as the first, would make it an octave. Okay, there is a definite formula for a major scale. I'm going to show that to you right now. The formula is whole note, whole note, whole note, half note, whole note, whole note, whole note, half note. And if you can remember from the video, I showed you the fingering on the piano where the half note is from the white key to the black key, and the whole note is white key to the black key to the letter D on the piano. That will be a whole note. I also like to use, when you place your finger on the C, that would be note 1. Dictating from there, your whole note, half note, whole note, whole note, whole note, half note. Now, we're going to apply that to another major scale, the scale of G, just so that you can see how to apply that once you learn that a major scale is made up using that formula. We're going to start from G. Whole note would be A, whole note B, half note, and as you can see, there is no black note between B and C. So that's a half note. Whole note, whole note, whole note, half note. Now, as you can see here, the F is on a black note. That would dictate that it's an F sharp. It's not a big deal. You're truly learning that if you're following the formula, you may come to a point where you're going to start using the black keys. That dictates an F sharp. Now, we're going to go back and review how we built a major scale. We learned that a major scale has 8 notes in it. It's called an octave. The formula is 1, whole note, note, whole note, whole note, half note, whole note, whole note, whole note, half note. We also learned and applied it to the G major scale. We also looked at sharp notes. A sharp is going up the scale, staying in on the scale. We went to F sharp. So we saw that the G had an F sharp dictating from the formula that we utilized first. I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Goodbye for now.